Okay, thank you.
Apoyo.
Thank you.
Apoyo.
The LC5
One come a beach.
who has just ushered me in,
Napodo jola jola idiere kany.
the members of parliament present here,
MPs na tiegi ni kany.
the deputy RDC representing also the RDC,
Alukor RDC na embe na chalo RDC ka kany.
the members of County Assembly of Turkana,
Members make county assembly me Turkana.
the CS
Jole Luoni CS.
and his team,
Kidong team me.
the delegations from Ethiopia,
Jona yake Ethiopia.
and also the other delegations from either South Sudan or any other East African community,
Jona yake South Sudan. Kidong alobomo ganati East Africa.
the people of Abim district,
Loak me Abim district.
the people of Ateker,
Loak me Ateker.
the CS Munyes,
CS Munyes.
who is your close friend.
Kidong okoni na pira tech rock.
I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody and majorly the leadership of Abim, the leadership of Karamoja, the leadership of Uganda.
Nina kwa kare me kuoyo etelame Abim, etelame Karamoja, Kidong etelame Uganda.
For sincerely inviting us from Turkana to come and grace this occasion with you.
Me adada jolowa ki Turkana me bino kwere ikani kedu.
We are joining you as Ateker community. We are joining you as Ateker community.
Wani ti karibire kedu chala teker community.
I think the Turkana people are believed to have originated from this end.
Anatamone jome Turkana Nwoya ni kany.
So when my team is here, we feel at home.
Kado durwati kany no wani ti na tuinwa ukwe.
I want to also to take this opportunity to thank the President or His Excellency the President Museveni,
Amina kwa kare ni me poyo adit lobo President Yoweri Museveni.
who has really in many occasions given us very humble time, our pastoralists, the people from Loima, the people from Turkana West, to come and grace and also to come and get pasture from this end.
Wana miro poyo ben rok me mi wakare me bino na chalo jona yaki lobo me Kenya. Me mi wakare me kelo me bino kelo lene wa akadok me bino kwere ikani ka chel kedu.
I want to ask God to really bless our President Museveni for all the good things he has done for us.
Amina kalego bangay ko mi kum what adit lobo President Yoweri Museveni pigina pecho na ntimo biwa.
I also want to thank our President, the President for the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta.
Anta amina po President me Kenya, President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta.
You know, elections in Kenya are still being disputed.
Uningio aduogi me kuiki Kenya pole tiena no ni poti nyamodogo ye.
So I want to thank Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta for all the good things he has done in collaboration with the President of Uganda to ensure that we sign a lot of MOUs that will help our people stay together.
Wana mino poyo President me Kenya pitich ka chiel ki President me Uganda mano pi winyere moko na noni chani ko manitika miyo kuchitika meda nyim.
Okay, today we come here from Turkana to come and participate with the people of Abim district in celebrating this very important event together.
One ebino chalo jona yaki Turkana me bino ribere ka chiel ki luak me Abim dish me kuero yika me te kwaru na dit na tika timere tin.
In Turkana we also celebrate similar events.
Ki Turkana wante iko kuero kot kuerani.
We've been celebrating Folklore.
Wane beri ko kuero Folklore.
And we also will celebrate the Lokriama Peace Accord.
Eka wante beri ko kuero Lokriama Peace Accord.
And many other occasions.
Kidong ika moko na polata.
And events from Turkana County.
Eka ika moko na noti Turkana County.
So I want to sincerely thank the organizers of this event.
Amirni yumfinya dit apo jona iko gini
who in their own wisdom have chosen actually to encourage matters of culture, matters of unity, and matters of bringing our people together.
Nakuni riego gi gino yero meketo lokmete kwaro lokme notere kachiel ki lok na kelo ji kachiel.
My election as the new governor for Turkana County
yero no timere pi achalo amanu governor me Turkana County na nyen
according to my own belief and the belief of the people of Turkana County.
Nalobere ki nene na onyo yena kachiel ki yeme luwak me Turkana County
will become a game changer.
Wane bino bende John abino ginikela loka.
I am happy. I am a neighbor of Kotido district. I'm a neighbor of Moroto, and I'm a neighbor of all the districts that border Kenya.
Ana tunya yomni abere jirani ki Kotido district, ki Moroto, ki districts duchu na tie inget Kenya.
So in that case, I believe your own brother from Ateker has been elected, and therefore the matters of unity along this border will be encouraged, and will put a lot of force to ensure that our pastoralists, our communities stay together.
Dopi manunu ana yoni anongo atinu kiko kome ene tine yeren eka no biro neni lokme kuch kachiel ki bedo obedo gina embino keto chalo gina pine tekwo.
I know these festivals are really meant to bring us together, to encourage unity, to bring our pastoral together. The actors, those who encourage issues of insecurity, are also encouraged to appear here so that we discuss issues of peace.
I
get annoyed. In most cases I get annoyed, I get disguised, I feel unhappy when our own people of Ateker are fighting against each other without any apparent reason.
Ikabero moko nongo chunya chwer akemo maka eka chunya tor pieni nongo jono bere jono kiko kome tika lonya akina gi nikato mene no gina noni ramukelo.
As a new governor, I promise to work with the people of Uganda. I promise to encourage engagement, peaceful engagements, peace building, so that our corridor remains one of the most celebrated corridors for bringing peace.
Chalo governor na nyen na pode yera ana chikere nyimuni abino tich ka chiel ki government me Uganda mekelo lok me kuch meneno ni enywa kotama ka chiel government me Uganda ekane ni gin labino kelo berbedo ya kina government me Uganda Kenya eketo ka chiel we kucho beratie.
Why I said my election will become a game changer is because I have been at the forefront in Turkana County, and even in the constituency I used to represent before I got elected as a governor. I created peace for 5 good years for the time I was a member of parliament for Loima constituency.
Dochen lok no miana komoni an yerna bedo ginakela loka ni abedo ekarna bedo yerame achiel abina kelo kuch kanyo no wana tie ye bimweke a beach ekade chane komane yera doka bedo governor na kubeni yana yoni abino kela loka no kene.
I don't think whether there will be any adult ahead of me that will stop me from proclaiming the message of peace, from coming across this hand to celebrate with you peaceful situations at every minute, every time, everywhere.
Ana tamoni gimora na bino jokona ki lok me kuch ope na ana bino mako lok me kuch ya bino tucha no rechalo jirika kany mor maken na ana bino beriye.
I also want to thank my predecessor, Governor Nanop, who has also been key in actually trying to bring peace, trying to unite the people of Ateker, and he has always been with us in trying to fight the fights against injustices, the fights of stealing one cow. So I want to say thank you to His Excellency Nanok for the time he has been there with us and for encouraging peace.
Amiruton puoyo aye adida chiel no bedo ko tika chon adid na lok piti tek na no tiyo mekelo kuch eka gineno ni bedo tie poda miro merege puoyen me merida mereki teach meneno ni kucho bedo tie.
And as I conclude,
doka bino chega
I want to ask the leadership.
Do amirne ka pe lotela.
I want to request my colleagues, the politicians,
amirne ka kwa echungu bielu woda
that there is a lot of tasks ahead of us.
Ni tich na tek tie nyim.
The task of bringing unity.
Tich mekelo notere.
The task of making our people believe that we are all African.
Tich na miyo luak onu nyo jono bedo ka yiyo ni one bedo etino me kakachiel.
The task of using all the available resources, investing them to ensure that there is engagement, there is partnership in the process of trying to fight for getting in a serious way to ensure that we get peace.
Teach kijamina tie menena ni kelo notere ka achiel kineno ni kuch obedo tie makun mandu chubino kelo lok medongo lobo.
So I think it has costed us a lot of time quarreling, fighting for nothing, encouraging our people to fight each other without any good results.
Atamoni otere wakarna pol na nungone wane bedo ka laro lok boko nyota ya kinawa meneno ni telele obedo tie ka achiel kilwe kikina nungo batika kelo kuch.
Our government, that is the government of the people of Turkana, will put a lot of resources into peace building and conflict management.
Dokumente wa do bedo government me Turkana ni bino keto alim na duongruok ilok meneno ni kuch idongo lobo obedo tie.
We are therefore asking our colleagues from this end, our brothers, also to put some money so that we make continuous engagement and be prepared that we are going to put you on toes so that we get peace.
One anda tika kwao luwoda meriki tungine gino ketlim mokona tie ekene nie ribere ilokme kelo kuch egina tie enjwaka achiel na bino miyo berberi akina jo.
Let us lead from the front. I'm asking the leadership, let us lead from the front, because an army of sheep led by a lion will never be defeated by an army of lions led by a sheep.
Dada ana kwalu telani ero na tel ka nyim eglo ko beri korjo pieni muon na noni onyo rom na kibuore na telo wigi gimoro pena lo e ka dok bene kibuo na no roma ya telo wigi jamina pol kare lo gyoko.
Last but not least,
I
want us to be God-fearing people. I want us to be God-fearing people. Those who fear God don't steal. Those who fear God don't just walk around to chase one cow. Those who fear God don't instigate an insurrection against others. And those who fear God will always fight to see a community that is highly united. That is my message. During this very important event, and as we continue with this event, my team are asking that we have the leadership meetings of the people, of the leadership from here, or even Kotido, so that we start putting down some ways in which we will follow to fight this element of chasing a cow from one place to another. I want to thank the RDC. I want to thank all the politicians who are present here from this end. And I'm also going to unite with my friend and uncle Menyes.